In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove contacts from Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, open your mailbox, and remove people from a contact list so your address book stays neat and up to date. Start by opening your web browser and heading to yahoo.com. On the top right, click Sign In. If you're already seeing your account listed, select it to continue. Otherwise, choose to sign in and enter your email and password. Keep your login details private and follow any on-screen prompts to finish signing in. Once you're back on the Yahoo homepage, look to the top right and click Mail. If you're taken to a general Yahoo hub first, click Mail again to open your inbox. You should now be inside Yahoo Mail. From here, open your contacts. In Yahoo Mail, there's a contacts area accessible from the left side of the screen. Click Contacts to view your saved people and groups. Since we're focusing on removing people from a list, locate the List section. Lists are helpful when you want to email a group at once, but they can quickly get cluttered if someone no longer belongs there. Click Lists to see your available groups, then choose the one you want to tidy up. Next, click Edit List. This opens a panel showing everyone included in that list. To remove someone, click the small X next to their name. This action removes them from the list, meaning they won't receive messages sent to that group anymore. It doesn't delete the contact from your overall address book. It only removes them from this specific list. If you're cleaning up multiple entries, click the X for each person you want to take out. Take a moment to review the list and make sure it looks the way you want. If you click the wrong X by mistake, you can cancel before saving or simply search for the contact again later and re-add them. When you're satisfied, click Save. This confirms your changes and updates the list. Your edits should sync right away, so the next time you email that list, only the remaining contacts will receive the message. That's all there is to it. You signed into Yahoo, opened Mail, went to Contacts, navigated to Lists, edited the lists, removed the people you no longer need there, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you clear up your contact lists in Yahoo Mail, feel free to follow along for more straightforward how-tos.